Today I'll show you how to connect a soundbar to your Hisense Android TV with HDMI cable and set up ARC or eARC port properly for high quality sound. The first thing that we'll need is obviously an HDMI cable, and we will need to plug one end of the cable into our soundbar's HDMI port and the other end into our TV's HDMI out port, which in most cases will be labeled as ARC or eARC. Remember that other ports won't work. After it's connected, just make sure that your soundbar is in the HDMI or ARC mode. And to make sure that you don't have any sound issues, go to your TV settings, then device preference, scroll down, open sound. Here you'll need to have ARC turned on. And you can also change the digital output to Dolby or keep it to auto. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy high quality music through the soundbar connected to your Hisense Android TV.